The goal with this activity is to really work the legs and you loosen up the hips too. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a kettlebell. And I want you to stand right about here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a nice tuck of the hips, exhale, and you're gonna go into a reverse lunge. But that's not enough, folks, because we're gonna do it with speed. I want you to cheek clean along with it. So that's the reverse lunge position I'm gonna get in. But as I do that, I'm gonna toss the weight up in the air and catch it. And the weight is gonna push me down really fast into the bottom of the reverse lunge. I wanna ride the weight on the way down, so it's gonna be a fast eccentric. And it's gonna look like this. I'm here, just like that. Come on up. Make sure you keep the tuck on the up, which I struggled with a little bit there. Felt it though. One more. From the front, just make sure your foot, knee, and hip on the front leg are in a straight line. You're not really throwing the back leg out like that. Everything, straight line. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.